Hi friends, this video shows how to do factory reset and fix all performance issues. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner. Go to system, go to about, set factory reset. Then set factory reset. You should read this message on the left side. This will restore your device to default settings and erase. That is very important. This operation will erase or delete all data, accounts, files and downloaded apps from the device. If you are okay with that, you can go ahead and set factory reset. After this reset operation, you have to again set up. You have to pair the remote. You have to connect to a Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. Then enter Gmail ID and password. So that way you have to complete the setup and you get a fresh device. Okay, let me set factory reset and then select this erase everything. So when you select this erase everything, that will start the factory reset process. This way we can do factory reset and get fresh device. That way we can fix all performance issues. You can try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.